Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make an audience in Google Ads. So I'm in the Google Ads Manager, and then I'm going to click on Tools and Settings, and I'm going to go to Audience Manager. Now, when you come in here, as opposed to uploading data, what we're going to do is we're going to click on Custom Segments. So click on Custom Segments, and we want to create a new one. So we're going to click on the plus sign in here, and we're going to give the segment a name. So I've named it fishing, and now we're going to look at ways that we can target it. So the first thing, include people with the following interests or behaviours. So people with any of these interests or purchase intentions. So if in here I type in something like charter boat, okay, and press enter. Over here, now this is for everywhere, and this is assuming worldwide, and you can see there's 10 billion to 1 trillion weekly impressions is what it's saying there. 55% female. Again, these aren't very accurate, these ones over here, but it just sort of gives you an idea. So they're the sort of things that you can put in there, and I'll just get rid of that for the moment. So another option then in the include people with the following interests or behaviours is to use keywords. And so this effectively is doing sort of search retargeting for any of the terms that you add here or similar to them, as long as your ad is going to run on a Google-owned property. So what are the Google-owned properties? And I suppose the main one really is YouTube. Google Discover is that mobile one where it displays interests or posts and stuff that are of interest to you, and then Gmail would be the other one. So if you are going to be advertising on any of those, YouTube, Google Discover or Gmail, then you can put in keywords here, and even if they searched for something 2 or 3 days before, when they're on YouTube, they will then see ads relating to what they searched for in Google. This one here is very interesting. The next option down, or people who browse websites similar to, and this was irishfishingtours.com. So, and again, it's showing you the number of people and the age and the different topics that are available in there. So again, you might put in a list of different websites that you'd really like to include. The next thing we can take a look at are people who are using a particular app. So for example, there might be a particular fishing app that all of the local Irish people use. So in here, you could choose an app. And I just typed in the word fish. I saw one down here that made a bit of sense. Yeah, so fishing spots. So maybe all of the local people use that particular one, and you would know that about your personas more than I would. So you could actually include that app. And again, it will give you an estimation of the different segments. Now in here, you're going, for example, segment insights, it's saying United States. And I'm thinking, oh, that's not right. I don't want the United States. I'm going to get rid of that. And in here, you can actually put in other segments. So for example, you can type in Ireland. And you could maybe include the United Kingdom. Okay. And so here you can see we have a very targeted audience that we can use then within our campaigns.